Hi, today let's see how to create a pack slip and invoice. For that, we should go to Supply Chain Management. Click on Inventory, followed by Pick List. Here, we can see the sales order. If we know the particular customer, we can search for them. Otherwise, we can click on Display to view all the open sales orders. Let's create a packing slip for a particular customer. Coaster's Coffee House, with an order quantity of 5. Now, click on Select Pack. Then click on Packing Slip to see all the details of the customer and their order. Once you click on Packing Slip, the packing slip will be created. If we click on Invoice, a packing slip and invoice will be created. I'm going to click on Invoice. Then click on Submit. A pop-up message will appear with the text by selecting this option. Now, I'll click on OK. We can now see a PDF format of the sales order summary, along with the packing slip and invoice.